What's up, doesn't got to give? This is the Gaming Stars and Mel Triceratops there and friends. Hello, Bobby Bear, Hunt Guy Kid, Kwame, Caroline Jones, and Mix Kunusuba, and Cosmo Delight here. And yes, now tonight I'm going to unboxing called. This unboxing is called Dino Troop Extreme. That's right. This is still gotta be fun. Yo, I bought this was from the Toy Kingdom. I just bought this in Toy Kingdom, by the way. You never see this before. So, for example, instructions. Instructions is called mouth open and limbs move. The limbs are moving, but the other limbs didn't move. Oh, it was totally move. So here's the sound effect, and the mouth is open. Watch this. Oops. So here's the sound effect. I guess. Open this up. Her name is. This is her name, right? Her name is. I gotta go her name. Her name is. I don't know. Apparently. Her name is Wendy Blue. That's her name. That is her name. Alright, let's unboxing this thing. So I didn't buy the Dilophosaurus mini toy yet from Mattel, but I bought this one is the what do I call this one? Dino Troop Extreme. I didn't test it on the Dino Troop Extreme yet. Like, without hesitation, let's go ahead. Now let's get unboxed and do it. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's see. But because of this is the last day of phone, guys. But yeah, this is the last day of phone. So the phone will be back to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm recording videos on Friday. Come on. Hang on, buddy. Don't be shy. There we go. So we have another tape over here. Okay. It's too expensive. The other one is not too expensive, right? Okay. What do we have here? Oh boy, now we have this one distance. Oops. What is that? Okay. Alright. Let's open her instead. But Stegosaurus. What's this? Get out. Okay. There we go. Okay. It's quite weak. This thing is this. And there she is. She's totally here. Welcome home. And there she is, guys. The legs can't rotate. Only the feet can't rotate. Okay, guys. Here he is. There we go. Okay, now you can have it. Let's rotate in her instead. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh wait, I rotating her her tail. I rotated her legs, limbs, and the limbs are looking like it sounds. Watch this. Here he is, guys. Here he is. Well, as you can see, this game looks kind of like. By the way, I got putting her tag name. Like, yeah, I don't know what this is all about. I'm gonna put in her tag name. So as you can see, there's some batteries on the side here. So, I'll be right back. Oops, hang on, babe. Hang on. What's your name again? I don't know what's your name, but yeah, hang on. I'll be right back. Dang it. Alright, okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I found this room. Okay, what does it look like? I'm assuming it looks batteries right now. Like this. And I think this looks like batteries, I guess. Like the circle one, the circle battery one. What the? Wait, hold on. Is this a circuit battery or not? Let me check. What the? Just wait, guys. Just wait. It's too hard to open. Oh. Ah, okay. There's a mini batteries one. Check this thing out. Okay. You see her batteries, I guess. A mini battery for what's this? You see the mini batteries in this point? This is like the double A one. Let's try it. Let's try that. Let's put in her like this. Let's just. Good. Let's put her in. Let's put her in. Let's put her in. Do you guys remember like the night Night Fury live action one, the How to Train Your Dragon live action? I'll show you guys out. It's not the same battery, by the way. The battery of the velociraptor is like is like the purple version of this battery. The battery of the velociraptor, the battery of the Light and Sounds RAR, Light and Sounds was made of a German. What's this? I never seen this before. Anyways, that's her name. She don't know when she looked like this, by the way. I never see this in like testing out this one. She's a look like she's this toy one, this Toy Express one is too expensive. Like this gang one. This strip stuff. It's just the arms, the legs one are moved. Like I said, the legs are moved, while the limbs are while the arms are moved. And the tail moves too. I rotated her tail, I guess, and her legs, limbs. The reason of this in the legs, the right arm one, it's got the light and sounds. I guess they go. Done. Yeah, it's getting nice. I'll show you I'm making shorts later. Except the shorts one, like I'm gonna make it 3 shorts today. I gotta show you guys. I'm gonna show you this one. That's the live action version. I gotta see the battery. What is the battery? I gotta see the toothless one. Dino Happy. Like this gang one. Here he is. Okay. With toothless, I guess. Okay. Let's this gang off. Game on. Here's gang. Okay. I call this one is Ultimate Plasma Blast Toothless from the live action How to Train Your Dragon, by the way. Let's test it out. Like there is a like the live action How to Train Your Dragon was still there in Toy Kingdom. But yeah, I bought this game. Yo, I never heard this one. Since it is a Father's Day during lunchtime. When you switch this to number 2-1, that's what happens. It is the Plasma Blast Toothless, okay? I bought this from Toy Kingdom for Western Vacation last year. Like, I bought this thing, okay? Okay, dokie. That's enough. That's enough. Alright. Here we are. Now you can have it. This is the better one, is the Wendy Blue. She is the better dinosaur. I've never seen this one before. Watch this. Good. Okay, that's enough. Oh, I think she's gonna fall out. Okie dokie. Okay, let's knock this thing out. Wait. There we go. Okay, that's enough at this point. This is a recorded video today. Alright, that's enough in the recorded video today. Apparently. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Also, I'm gonna make shorts too. Like, I'm gonna make a theory shorts. Like in 2000, her left eye got red, and I'm gonna make a. Well, whatever. Guys, you guys don't remember this one? I thought I did watch YouTube videos yet, like in 2000, but apparently. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you soon. Good night, folks.